This is Christina Champion, and this is Kendra Minty, my sidekick. We are Grim Reaper hunters, and we are hunting her right now. Let's go. There she is. Do you see her?
I don't think she knows we're following her.